Large-scale cloud service providers dominate today's cloud computing landscape with proprietary, complex, one-size-fits-all solutions that cost more than anticipated. These hyperscale public clouds were developed for scale at the expense of flexibility, service, and cost predictability. As a result, they often fail to address the unique needs of organizations. The ORockCloud is a FedRAMP-authorized cloud environment built on OpenStack. We designed the ORockCloud from the ground up for secure, high-performance data operations with hardened, enterprise-grade open-source applications, scalable storage, all using industry-leading hardware, transmitting your data on a private fiber optic backbone network and storing that data in secure, compliant data centers. Why? Because the most secure open-source cloud doesn't start at the application layer. Our engineers and security team designed the ORockCloud to meet the most stringent customer requirements for security, compliance, cost predictability, and control. We integrated security and regulatory compliance in every element of the cloud stack, from the physical data center and network to the platforms and tools used to manage your workloads and applications. The ORockCloud isn't only hardware and virtualized services. The ORockCloud leverages important technology and security pillars from the physical data center to our ongoing support, providing a set of holistic capabilities that contribute to a cost-effective, secure, highly available cloud. The ORockCloud is in 4 data centers spread across the east and west coasts of the United States, providing geo-redundancy for your data. Those data centers are SOC 2 Type 2, as well as HIPAA and PCI DSS certified. Our data centers are access controlled by multi-factor biometric authentication methods, and there are multiple layers of redundancy for all electrical, cooling, and power systems. So no matter what may happen at that data center, whether tornado, fire, or terrorist attack, your data is backed up on-site as well as in at least one other site on the other side of the country to ensure business continuity of your operations. Other hyperscale CSPs use white box hardware, which is a logistics process of aggregating every component from a variety of global suppliers. This process trades the benefits of availability for security. There is no way to verify the security of every component manufacturer in these systems. At ORock, we aren't trading the security of your data for our own convenience. We use only industry-leading suppliers whose equipment is engineered for security down to the root and whose supply chain is verified secure. As malware attacks move down the stack from the application layer to the infrastructure layer, smart organizations realize that security isn't an add-on. It must be part of the overall design. And that's what ORock has done through our hardware partnerships. ORock has also partnered with Windstream and other carriers to provide a private fiber optic backbone network between our data centers. That backbone bypasses the meet me room in the data centers and terminates in the ORock cages. This added layer of security mitigates the possibility of man-in-the-middle attacks at the vulnerable meet me room. One of the hallmarks of ORock is our focus on security. We have our own internal compliance team who ensures that we are meeting and exceeding our security requirements. With the only FedRAMP-authorized open-source cloud, we must meet 325 security controls and prove that to the federal government via a third-party assessment every year. For our FedRAMP High Cloud, we must meet 421 security controls. We do this so our customers can focus on their core competencies. Another way to look at this is that ORock manages the infrastructure layer of the ORockCloud so that your technology team can focus on innovation while transitioning your IT costs from CapEx to OpEx. Built on the most current version of OpenStack, the ORockCloud offers all of these microservices and more. These allow you to avoid vendor lock-in, capitalize on additional security through Red Hat Enhanced Linux, enjoy the stability of an open-source platform designed, managed, and evolving with the largest global community of engineers and architects, use APIs that are designed to be compatible with AWS, navigate easily with our intuitive UI, and assign role-based controls for added security, control, and flexibility. We'll dig into storage and containers in greater depth in other courses, but you can see some of the high points here. Government-grade security with management of systems up to the application layer. Our FedRAMP authorization requires ongoing, detailed third-party audits of security that customers can see. Highly advanced hybrid cloud utilizing secure hardware from industry-leading suppliers. Our scalable infrastructure with guaranteed technology refreshes. We've got dedicated or shared multi-tenant infrastructure options with elasticity in processing, purpose-built to customer needs with collaboration with ORock engineers and cloud architects. Control. Customers are not required to modify their security operations model. You can utilize existing security policies within the ORock environment. Encryption of data with the customer controlling the encryption keys. ORock admins cannot break the glass without customer approval. No need to rely on logging after the fact. Predictable pricing. Avoidance of metered data transport with no egress fees. This provides lower total cost of cloud ownership and within established budgets. Diverse, high-performance fiber optic network controlled by ORock. It provides low latency, increased security, and scalability. ORock Technologies, simplifying your cloud experience.